On Minibus, we're going to talk about first abandoned children. Why do we have many children increasingly being left in pit latrines, on rubbish heaps, and at the doorsteps? Why are women throwing away children
and
these days?
Our wonderful second topic, we are going to talk about street preachers, the ones that lose their voices. They please stop. Now the car is passing and you can't even hear a single word they are saying. What's your opinion? What's your take? Do you like them? Do you think they're actually making any change?
We'll give you an opportunity to talk about these two topics, but for now we're going to talk to people in the bus. First of all, Nyabo, nuzakantandike n'abakyala. Olowooza lwaki abakyala abasinga basuula abaana?
Abakyala ennaku zino basuula abaana olw'ebizibu ebingi bye basanga. Kwegamba ajja n'afuna omwami, abaami abamu tebabeera responsible.
Yogerako nnyo.
Bo babeera baagala kufuna kye baagala. After that mwafunye kiddamu yabeera
kye baagala.
Ate n'ekyabaami nakyo tokibanenyeza nnyo kubanga bamu ku bo babeera tebalina mirimu, tebalina busobozi, nga nabo talina gy'asobola twala mwana.
Why would you throw a baby?
I've carried it for 9 months.
Someone may get pregnant without knowing. And it's like she's living with many men. So she can't tell who is who. And the person she's telling the responsibilities is like, I don't know you. I've met you one day. How comes that you're telling me I regulated you? So she ends up getting disappointed.
Omukyala ng'azadde, what compels you okugoba omukyala oyo ng'omanyi nti yegwe yabikoze?
Abasajja tebaagala kugoba bakyala. Abakyala tebabalimba. Abakyala be bagoba lwa nsonga. Yes, nti abakyala balina endowooza. Bakutunuulira ng'omufunyisiza olubuto. Bo batunuulira ebintu bibiri. Bw'omufunyisa olubuto ga nti omaze okunfunisa olubuto, kanoonya ayina emmotoka. Alabika ajja okulabirira omwana wange. Bw'ogetunulira abakyala abasinga ennaku zino, abeera ewaka. Naye kasa balina bannayibaazi bamanya nti waaye manyi nti musajja wakuwa mmeka andekera 15 walobadda zina mukwano gwange avuga takisi wali asobola okuwa n'emitwalo 5 musajja muveeko.
The show has just started but it's already hot.
Bamba bakyala mwewozeeko musendinga message begayire batuzalaye.
You can go to our Facebook page Minibus Uganda and also comment. Tell us why people abandon children. We went to Malaika Baby's home and this is what we found out. Check it out.
Causes of abandonment are several, one of which is family rejection from family members. Many times many of the mothers we come across are teenage girls whose parents are not willing to accept the fact that they have perhaps gotten pregnant out of wedlock. So the condition is they either get rid of the children or not come back at home. So many times they end up throwing away these children. Also, many of them are faced with a problem of poverty because it's very, very expensive to raise children in this economic situation. So someone without the financial capacity to do that is sometimes forced to either watch the child starve to death, or place the child somewhere and hope that someone will give that child a better life. Many of these children end up, the lucky ones, end up being picked by a probation officer, a police, or even taken to hospitals. Others end up dying. The lucky ones end up in institutions such as Malaika, where at least we guarantee that they find a home. But then again, we are finding out that institutionalization causes problems such as physical delays, speech delays. The child misses that one-on-one contact with a family member. You'll find that a child has no identity whatsoever, So it affects them so much. These are all causes of abandonment. That separation from family. Whether or not you end up in an institution or end up with a Samaritan somewhere, you've lost your family. That alone is a very, very huge effect on them.
The lady has talked about the lucky ones being picked up. And I want to Hajat.
That man badly wants to
abakyala bano Hajat. Lwaki totwala mwana wakiri mu home?
Bajja kubuuza lwaki omusuula. Wano tetulinaawo we tukuumira abaana genda. You end up throwing.
Ekibasuuza abaana baagala kugenda kunyaga bbali. Yes. Abakyala balina obuzibu kubanga bali mu student nga ine ensonga naye kimusuuza omwana bw'atulayo olulezo lwolwamusuubiza edda n'agamba ate bw'analaba nga nnina omwana anasobola okumpa omutwalo n'agamba ono omwana alina mukasoka bbali kuwaliwo kigayi ekiremba ku university ate kyevuga bwe naatuukayo nga terina bala mwana kijja kumpa akajja kyovula abakyala tulina kubegendereza nnyo mukaba batusaasire.
We are living in a situation of degenerating morals.
Right.
You want to live a standard that you cannot be able to afford.
Right.
At the end of it all, you end up stooping. Someone makes you pregnant, you don't have a plan. How am I going to what? To maintain
look
this
after
baby.
that's
Yeah.
good,
You're maybe from a broken marriage. You don't have someone to look up to, so someone ends up making a very bad decision. I think it would be good to take such a kid you feel you cannot be able to take care of to a baby's home, so that someone can be able to understand. That's what happens in the US, adoption. Then the other thing also is that you want to live in Kampala, for instance, and you cannot be able even to afford rent. This guy comes with his swagger, his luxurious car. At the end of it, what happens? The consequence, everything has what? Consequences. So, guys out there, we need to what? To watch out on our action.
He mentioned something about taking the children to the homes. And I think this is very, very difficult. I mean, it's about access. How are you going to access the homes? Not everyone has the capability to take their kids. Because I believe everyone. There is no one who loves to see, their children being thrown in pits.
So would you just murder?
Yeah, but I don't have the opportunity. I mean, it's the last option.
No.
Yeah, it's the last option.
Because we've had reports of a mother strangling the baby to death.
I condemn that in the strongest terms possible.
What explanation do you have?
I'm not supporting the throwing the kids to the streets.
Yes.
But then, if you're talking about taking them to the homes, then that is
How
something
hard is
different.
taking them to the home?
First, if you're going to take the kid to a home, then you're going to be held responsible. I mean, if you're a mother, for neglecting the child, I mean, why would you bring her here? Your mother yourself.
Right.
Then number two, you might be taken in prisoner because this is murder. You're a mother and you're leaving your child here. You understand? So you cannot go to the homes. That is out.
What is your take on this? Because we are looking at increasingly a generation with no mothers, and in the past there were no fathers.
Ate even the single mothers are memes.
Right.
Olaba abasajja tebakyayagala kumanya.
Mubadde mwogera kubeera homes. Singa bakifula public bagamba batasobola kulabirira abaana baabwe bajje babateeke eno. Naye kati mu Uganda tekiriiwo. Buli omu yandikyagadde kibeeremu ekityo atalina busobozi atwaleyo.
Abo oleesa ate obuzibu.
Naye ate bw'onokikola bwotyo bangi.
Golooza banagamba kati bw'oba tosobola kulabirira mwana leeta.
Be banakitandika kitegeeza tugenda kukola omulimu ogwo. Nze mukama wankubira mazima. Be batutandika beroga tugenda kufuna abagenda okulabirira abaana. Tugenda kukola omulimu. Mufuna omukyala mufunisa lubuto apa mutwala eri kuba kitegeeza tufunye balabirira.
Mwana gwe basudde bintu ki ebisobola omugwako?
Bingi ebizibu bingi okusinziira ku wabeera bamutadde. Kati waba bamusudde mutoyi ayinza okufa afuna endwadde ife ate olwasobodde okumuggyayo kati ekyo nabeera nga akuze ne effect eyo. Kati niwaba bamusudde ku kkubo ku street kuliko ebizibu bingi tabeera nawakusula. Bayinza okujja abalalu ne bamukwata even n'abasajja bennyini abategeera
Olibye tutwaliza abasajja bategeera.
Abasajja bategeera ne
twali ku TV luli
Yes.
ne baleeta amawulire nga aba street children n'abawakazi beekubira omulanga nti abasajja bajja children babakwata. Ate byonna bizibu bisangibwa ku street.
Abasajja abategeera bye baliwo bategeera. Twagala okutangazibwa abasajja abategeera n'abatategeera. Kuba kati awo naffe obanga bali tuli
mu liigi ezo.
tuli yabula mugamba waliwo bano ababeera abalalu bano. Baba tulwazeeko munange enzire.
Ennaku zino abasajja abategeera ffe tubala babulabe naye ng'omuntu ayinza n'okola tutamusuubiramu.
Hajati bagambye nnyo nti abooluganda bano babaleetera okusuula abaana barelatives bano ba in-laws ne bajja ne bagamba ye kana akakazi wakazaaliramu ki.
nali nkiwuliddeko naye tekiba kituufu manze sisobola kituufu tambula negenda n'omwana.
Well, one thing I can say, this child you've thrown, however much everything goes his way, like he gets all this he wanted to get, but still this is something that will be missing, that is motherly love. You understand? He can never get this real love. I mean, I just imagine. Yeah, I just imagine how I will see this mom after 20 years. I mean, I've become this, you know, reasonable youth, and you're coming back to me and you're like, you're my son. I just imagine what I can do to you by that time.
Right. Too similar, but thank you too.
Kati ababanda bebasuula ku nguudo bebasuula anywhere abamu bw'olaba nti balina emitima emikyamu, they end up murdering people at night. Bebo bosanga nga ye mwana agamba nti nze nja kunuusa enjaga, nja kunuusa ebikoola, nja kuyingira amagye, kwegamba ng'alaba omutima gwe gwennyamira nnyo nnyo okuba nti talina bazadde. Kati naga kati nkole ki, olaba oli yansuula.
As a parent, when you are 20 wasula omwana, at 30 what are the bad things that can be running in your head at that point?
That guilt will always haunt you.
Right.
It will haunt you. You will never walk away with it.
Talking about abandoned children, not just the 1-year-old, not just the 15-year-old, they are all over the place. They are abandoned. Some of them survive and they get to the street, and those who have been saved will go to institutions. Now, we have a few instances, like Sophia Nabide, who was 18 years, dropped a 22-old day baby. Mayuge district, a girl was arrested for dumping her child so that she could settle with a boy.